Alright, so this is a little build review, something I made to make my life a little easier. My work truck, I use a hand cart, and I was tired of folding it down every time to throw it in the back of the truck, and I wanted to leave it upright. So, but I didn't want it rolling around everywhere. So I have a hook I made that is spring-loaded. That roll my cart up to it, pull my spring, and then that holds it so it can't roll around in the back of my truck. And when I'm done with it, I can roll my cart out. And that is not quite flush, but close enough to where I don't trip on it. I did notch it out a little bit so I can get a easier grip on the hook. I did this out of a solid steel rod. I don't know what that is, 3/8. And I did originally make it out of threaded rod, but I found that it wasn't smooth coming up and down. It would bind in the wood and all that, so I ended up changing it to a solid rod. Let me show you what's underneath. Alright, so underneath here, just a flat washer spring. It's not a very tight spring, doesn't need much, because all you're doing is just enough to keep the hook down. Honestly, probably the weight of the bar alone might be enough, but I did add the spring just for a little bit of extra. And then this clamp just to hold the spring in place. So pretty simple little mechanism. Obviously this just rolls around, and if you don't mind having a hole in your floor, but it works for me. It could be used for any kind of cargo. I just happen to use it for my hand truck.